So we all know that fast fashion isn't very eco-friendly, but we still buy it. Tackling climate change is not just about awareness, but it's also about sustainable everyday practice. That's where our EcoFashion Scanner comes in. The app makes sustainable fashion choices easier across the entire fashion lifestyle by providing sustainability information through scanning fabrics and incentivizing sustainable practices. We follow the Design Council's Double Diamond model to ensure a user-centric design using several methods to discover the problem, define the user, develop ideas, and deliver a prototype of the solution.
So the fashion industry has a significant impact on climate change through carbon emissions and water use and excessive waste across production and also consumption. So with the rise of fast fashion, this impact has only accelerated. So in our literature review, we found that people still buy clothing both in stores and online. And also extending the lifespan of a garment itself actually serves as a highly effective strategy in mitigating environmental harm. So Generation Z and Millennials are the most frequent online clothing buyers, and a green gap was evident in these user groups. So we conducted a survey of 71 participants, and results showed that there is a green gap found. I mean, 75% of participants shop from fast fashion, even though 70% are aware of its negative impact. So 42% of respondents would purchase sustainable clothes if they are properly informed. So about half of the participants didn't know if clothes could be recycled or donated, or while more than quarter through just unwanted clothes away.
So to deepen our understanding of the user needs, we use behavioral analysis tools to identify the behavioral gaps and map them to behavioral change techniques such as enablement, training, incentivization, and education, which then we prepare to deploy on the solution. So for the development and delivery phases, we utilize several methods, such as raise the aids for ideation, user follows, prototyping, and user testing. We did conduct 2 rounds of user testing that iterated on the user based on the user feedback, allowing to keep the user at the center of the design. So let's imagine Lucy. She wants to make more sustainable choices, but she finds it challenging. While she's shopping in store, she sees a shirt that she likes. She uses the EcoFashion Scanner to scan fabric and tag so that she can access to sustainability information like lifespan and recyclability. Then she decides to buy. So with this information, she can decide whether to buy this item or to find eco alternatives through the app. The more she uses, and by continuing using the app, she will expand her digital wardrobe, which eventually she will start to have daily suggestions on the outfits so that she can optimize the wardrobe use. Also, she starts to get some rewards, like 10 to 40% off on the second-hand marketplace, so that it promotes the sustainable behavior. Now, if she does not want the clothes, then through the app she can easily arrange for them to be recycled or donated. But if she finds that the clothes needs fixing, then by just taking a picture of what it's damaged, then the app will propose some tutorial videos to try to incentivize her to be able to fix it, or she can find a local tailor or even challenge her friends to fix it for her.
EcoFashion Scanner aligns with the UN Sustainable Development Goals by minimizing clothing waste, by mitigating climate action, protecting and restoring life on land, and fostering sustainable cities and communities through responsible fashion consumption and collaborative partnerships. In conclusion, the EcoFashion Scanner is not just a tool. It's a catalyst for transforming the current unsustainable fashion industry. By empowering consumers to make sustainable choices, we are setting a new standard for production that prioritizes ecological integrity. This initiative directly supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals, emphasizing our commitment to responsible consumption production. Thank you for listening.